Okay, still stuck with the same problem. Just replaced the ignition coil, did all the spark plugs. I previously did a fuel pump, redid all it. As far as I know, my fuses right here are okay, but I still can't get it to start. It's still doing the same exact thing. I need help. I don't know how to fix this. Let me show you. And it has oil in it. It has all that fun stuff. Okay. And I know it's getting fuel because we did have a fuel leak at the front, which I fixed. It was a cracked hose, but I fixed that after we did the fuel pump. But it's still doing the same exact thing. See? Won't fire. But I did the spark plugs. I made sure they were at the right gap of 35. I need help. I still don't know. I've done everything I thought I could do. I did what y'all suggested yesterday, the ignition coil, did that. Did the spark plugs, all 8 of those. And there's only one distributor cap, so there's only one coil, as that other person said earlier. But it still won't fire. I'm at a loss. My dad's at a loss. I don't know what the heck to do now. Help! I mean, you can hear that it wants to, but I don't know what to do. Please help. Not quite sure what to do now. Any suggestions would help. Please leave a comment if you know or have an idea. Oh, it's a 1992 Dodge truck. D250. With a Holley carburetor. Yes. Had to throw that in real quick. But help! I don't know what to do. I don't want to keep cranking and kill the battery. I will put the charger back on it just in case, but still. You can hear that things are spinning and nothing's locked up, but I don't know what to do. Help!